Okay, you guys, so this is day 1, 7/13, Monday, January the 8th. Gonna start this day 1 of fasting for 21 days of no meat. So my breakfast is going to consist of this whole bottle of water and this orange. We do have some pears and apples in there, but I just don't want that right now. So I'm just gonna eat this orange and drink this water. I hope I make it to my next break at 10 o'clock. Just looking at this, I'm already hungry. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back with more updates as the day goes along. Bye. Okay, you guys, I am on my first break for the day, and I am about to make me some pear sauce because I don't really like eating pears just sliced. So I'm going to blend it up and make me some pear sauce. I peeled all the skin off first, so I'm gonna cut it. Drop it into my magic bullets. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be my first snack for today, pear sauce. If you have any ideas, please leave them below because I don't know what to do. I don't know how to be a vegetarian. I need help. Okay, y'all, so I just chopped up some zucchini, squash, and orange bell peppers. And I'm going to saute it in a skillet with this canola oil. And when it's almost done, I'm going to add that broccoli. And that's going to be my lunch. So you'll see how it looks in a little bit. Stay tuned. Okay, so I seasoned it with crushed red pepper, black pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, and onion powder. This is what it looks like now. I'm just going to stir it and let it cook. So I just added in the broccoli and a little bit of parsley. And everything is turning out good. It smells good. Only thing it's missing is the meat, but hopefully it tastes good without it. We will see. I'm just gonna call this a veggie medley. Okay, y'all, they are done. And this is my veggie lunch for the rest of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tastes pretty good. This is what I'll be eating for lunch. Yep. All right, you guys. I'm about to eat my lunch. Man, I feel like I'm gonna still be hungry. If y'all have some recipes, some no meat recipes, please leave them below because I don't know if I'm gonna last 28 days. I'm trying though, y'all. I'm really gonna give it effort to try to do this for the rest of this month. So, about to eat my lunch and I'll see you all later. Okay, y'all, so
Jesus, you fasted and you made it.
This is dinner.
Oh
2
God.
baked potatoes with broccoli.
Oh my God.
And since we can't have salt, I just seasoned it with pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and chili powder.
That's terrible.
So this is what's gonna be dinner. Pray for us. We're trying. Good morning, y'all. So we're on day 2 and my breakfast is going to consist of this Quaker oatmeal, and it's just a plain oatmeal. And since we're not doing dairy, I cooked it with water and then I got it topped with strawberries, cinnamon, and this raw honey right here to kind of help sweeten it some. And I'm gonna have this bottle of water. So yeah, that's going to be my breakfast for day 2. So I'll be back later to show you what I'll be eating the rest of today. Bye. Okay, y'all, I am on my first break today, and this is what my first snack of the day is going to be. This is just an orange, some strawberries, and some whole almonds unsalted. And this is the brand of almonds that I bought. And I must say, I feel like a squirrel eating an acorn. Like, they are so nasty, I'm not gonna lie. But they're healthy for you, so I'm gonna eat them. Although they're dry and just not good, but yeah. And I'm gonna drink some water, and this is my snack. So see you all at lunch. Bye. Okay, you guys, so this is my lunch: a baked sweet potato and broccoli. So far, I don't know how I feel about this whole no sugar, no salt, and I can use cinnamon, but we don't have any cinnamon, so I'm eating this plain Jane, and actually it don't taste that bad without anything on it, to be honest with you. Here we go. But yes, I just want to check back in and show you all my meals of the day. So yeah, this is what I'm eating for lunch. I'll check back for dinner. Okay, you guys, I am back, and for the rest of the week our dinner will be these red beans that we only season with onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and pepper. And we're going to be eating these with some brown rice. This will be our dinner for the rest of this week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, as our meal prep. So still looking for ideas. I think I'm going to get on Pinterest and see what I can find, because I am almost over it. I mean, I must say though, I do feel good. I have a lot of energy, and my stomach has not been hurting like it does when I eat bad foods that I'm not supposed to eat. So yeah, just keep on this journey with us. All right. Yep. So this is the red beans and brown rice and water. That's going to be our dinner for the rest of the week. Fun times, I tell you.